once a week I like to do just, I don't know if you consider it a full review, but I like to show a bit of the back office with Live Good, my experience, what's happened, where I'm going, where the company's going, what I'm doing, what the company's doing. All right. I know Live Good extremely well right now. I joined back March of 2023. All right. It's the end of 2024 right now of December, going on. Live Good turned 2 years old, December 13th, a week or two ago. Okay. And I joined about a year and a half ago. My 2-year anniversary will be right around March to April. All right. So give me 3 or 4 months and I'm going to hold these two fingers up and say, I got 2 years under my belt with Live Good. That's plenty of time to get to know about Live Good, the products, the opportunity, how things work. Guys, it only takes a week or so, to be honest. The website's already built. A capture page, which I'll show you, is already built. The products, they are shipped. They're handled. We have warehouses in Jupiter, Florida. The United States Post Office does all the shipping with tracking. Okay. Here in America, outside of the border here of good old America, DHL International. Okay. Tracking. Okay. You have any questions? support@livegood.com. We have Dr. Ryan and his wife Lisa. They create and design and are in charge of education about all our products. Ryan@livegood.com. RYAN. Lisa@livegood.com. Okay. Nader Kazan. He is in charge of field development and marketing. Okay. And then our CEO, Ben Glinsky. Very transparent. They do live Zoom meetings 3-4 times a week, always noon Eastern, and they're recorded. Okay. All of our products, by the way, 3-month, 90-day guarantee, no questions asked. Guys, if you buy one of our products, where's my damn, there it is. You buy some CBD oil. You just empty this. Let's say I got this in the mail yesterday. I just go ahead and unscrew it. I pour the CBD into, I don't know, another container. And I just say, well, I don't like this CBD oil. Send the empty bottle back within 90 days. 3 frickin' months. And guess what? Live Good says that's okay. Thank you for trying. You get your money back. It's wholesale pricing too, by the way. You know, this CBD oil can be anywhere from 30, 50 to 75 bucks. Guys, this is like 14 bucks. We're a wholesale company. We make the products for people to put on shelves at gyms, at health food stores, Amazon stores, or in the back of your trunk. I could put a bunch of Live Good products on this shelf right here instead of Barbie dolls and Farrah Fawcett and Lego Harley Davidsons and sell these products. Okay? For wholesale. And it's 10 bucks a month. Okay? Ever since December 13th of 2022, it's only been $9.95 to be a member. You can go to livegood.com and just buy like walmart.com. Okay? And I recommend, if you're not in Live Good, just check it out. Okay? Just go to the products tab. And this is what it looks like. Just go through every one of our products and look at how many we have now. You know, when I joined, there was only like 10. But we even have beanie caps and little shirts. All right? These are kind of cool. You guys should check these things out. Little shaker bottles. You know, put your protein powder in and shake, shake, shake. I bought the hats and the shirts, and I never wear the damn things for some reason. I do love tank tops, but only the ladies. Okay? But guys, please look at all of our products. This is the product that brought me into the company, Super Reds. I was buying Super Beets. Okay? Tiny little jar, 50, 60 bucks a month. It only lasted like 20 days, even though they'll say it's 30-day supply. Hit the white button. Just says learn more on any one of our products. And you can see by hitting these little thumbnails what the product looks like, the label, nutritional facts, okay? There's even a video about it, which is really well made. You can see that even if you're not a member, it's only 24 bucks. And if you want to spend 10 bucks a month, guys, look, it's only 18 bucks. You're saving just 6 bucks alone just on Super Reds. There's the description, all of the seals of approval, we're organic, how to use the products. All right, and look at that. Super Beets, 40 bucks still for a tiny little jar. All right, look at $70 for Organifi. You know, product reviews. Now, when you go to the website, I want you to go to the FAQ. Okay, I think it's important because all those questions that you might have are answered already. So go ahead and click any of these. Just read. Then, if you have a cell phone at the very bottom or a website, it's going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. It depends how wide your screen is. Mine says pay plan. So I'm going to click that little button. 7 ways we get paid on the membership side. Okay? We are not a traditional MLM where you're forced to buy products. We do not commission our products. We commission the membership side. That's why you want to be an affiliate. $40 one time. That's it, guys. Here's the 7 ways we get paid. Okay. Go to the bottom, though. You're going to see a YouTube video produced by the company. Please just watch this a few times. It's just easier because it has graphs, charts, and Ben Glinsky, our company CEO, he explains everything. And that way you know what you're talking about in case the comp plan comes up. You want to know what it's about. You know, explain it somewhat accurate. But do what I do. Go, guys. I don't care about explaining the comp plan. Go to the livegood.com website, hit affiliate pay plan or pay plan link, and watch the YouTube video. That's the easy way. And the way that I've signed up almost 400 people, guys, I'm only a couple people away from 400 people. Out of 1.6 million members and affiliates, right now I'm currently number 7 on the leaderboard, and I almost have 400 people signed up by doing exactly what I'm going to show you. Okay? This is what I do. I invite people to this link. I bought this at GoDaddy for like $10. I forward it to the Live Good capture page.
Let's talk about the Live Good affiliate compensation plan.
Okay. There it is. I just have people watch this video. All right. Now, if you want to watch or just see what it looks like on my screen real quick, let me just show you. Well, let me turn on my keyboard. There we go. So joincory.com. It goes to this page, which you're going to have. So if you have $49.95, you get this page. This video does all the recruiting for you. People will put their name and email address in if they want to join. They get an email, they open it up and join. Okay? And if they don't want to join, don't worry about it. For 30 days, you're going to get one email for 30 days from LiveGood. They're well written. And they're going to tell people about the opportunity, the products. And if they want to join, great. And if they want to opt out, just opt out in the email. You'll never hear from me or LiveGood again unless you want to come back later. Okay? But I think that if you do what I do and keep things simple and just invite people to a link. And if your name is Bob, joinbob.com. Join Bob now. Work with Bob. If that's taken, there's plenty of other things that you can do that you can put on a business card. Okay? I think it's fun to get these little business cards. All right? I think it's a frickin' blast. And I just make them for what? I think these are $25 for a box, a couple bucks shipping. Okay? But you can see how get some business cards and just hand them out in person if you want. And then if you do an email, go ahead and just invite people to joincory.com because you're going to forward this exact link for free through GoDaddy to this exact page. Okay? Then everyone can go through the products. They can go through the affiliate plan, go through the FAQ. All right? Let video and the website do all the training, all the recruiting, all the information. You do not have to go to living rooms and talk and recruit and go crazy. Just get good at social media, whatever one. You like Instagram, you like the TikTok, awesome. All right, you like maybe a video like this where you get a webcam. Or a lot of people just use their cell phones. You know, this way, maybe do a selfie, talk about the opportunity, or just not be on camera, just maybe film something going, guys, I'm really excited about this opportunity. Will you go to, in my case, joincory.com. I'm done. There's literally nothing left for me to do because all the recruiting is done by video. Customer service is done by customer service. All the returns, all the shipping, all the handling, all done by LiveGood, guys. Okay? All you got to do is just ask yourself, do I have a couple minutes just to watch this video? Number 2, do I have a couple hours a day to sit and really get good at inviting people to watch little videos? I know you can do this. I know you can. I don't care if you have experience or not. If you're retired or not. Don't matter. you can do this. Okay? All right, guys, joincory.com. You know what to do. Get a hold of me if I can help you out. If you have any questions, I'll definitely answer them for you. Cory at CoryDraper.com. joincory.com. Boy, if you guys can go to that link, I'll be so happy. And subscribing to my YouTube channel. Love you big time, okay? Peace and love, guys. And thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. All right, have a good day. Talk to you next video. Bye.